Good morning, my dear students. Today we are continuing with our chapter 3 in geography, minerals and power resources. Students, in our previous lecture, we were studied about distribution of minerals in the world. Now today I will explain you about the distribution of mineral in India. Now students, India is rich in mineral resources. The major minerals produced in India are iron ore, bauxite, mica, copper, manganese, limestone, gold, salt, coal, and petroleum. Now, student, iron ore. Iron ore of very good quality, hematite and magnetite, is obtained from principal areas in Odisha and Singhbhum in Bihar. Beside these, iron ore is obtained from Durg in Madhya Pradesh and Salem in Tamil Nadu. Deposits of iron ore are also found in Karnataka. Iron ore accounts for nearly two-thirds of the total value of metallic mineral produced in India. Now, bauxite. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Important bauxite deposits occur in Bihar, Goa, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, and Tamil Nadu. Bauxite deposits are exploited at Lohardaga in Ranchi district. Amarkantaka in Madhya Pradesh contain the largest deposit of bauxite. Now, mica. India is the largest producer of mica in the world and the largest supply comes from Bihar. In Bihar, the most important areas are Gaya and Hazaribagh in the mica belt, 150 km long and 32 km wide. Another important area in Nellore in Andhra Pradesh, the Nellore mica belt, 100 km long and 25 km wide. Mica is also obtained from Rajasthan. It is used in electrical industry. Now copper. Copper, it is a valuable metal. It alloy with zinc to form brass and with tin to form bronze. It is also used for making household utensil. It is found at Khetri in Rajasthan. Some copper has been found in Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now manganese. Manganese is used in manufacture of steel. India is one of the largest producer of manganese in the world. Some manganese is exported to other countries. In India, it is found in Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Now, gold. It is a very precious metal. Some gold is produced from the mines at Kolar and Hutti in Karnataka and Ananthapuram in Andhra Pradesh. Diamond is also a very precious stone. It Diamonds are found at Panna mine in Madhya Pradesh and Kolur mine in Andhra Pradesh. Now, limestone. Limestones are found in Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Odisha, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Jharkhand. Now, salt. It is used as preservatives in food industries. Now, it obtained from seas, lakes, and rocks. Main deposits are Gujarat. India is leading producer and exporter of salt. Now, students, through this map, you can saw that in our country, different type of minerals found in different states. Now, thank you, students.